welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, then welcome. My name is Freya. Today I am doing a second part of a continual fashion edit that I've kind of introduced to my channel, and it's basically, as you can tell by the title, like YEEZY inspired fashion outfit ideas. This time I'm going to go with the nudes, beige, that kind of colour scheme. I've recently done a khaki edit as well, which I'll leave linked below in case you're interested in checking it out. And then I'm also going to be continuing this this fashion series with a like blues and greys edit and a black one, and also maybe a shoe edit as well. So as for today, I'm going to jump straight into a few fashion pics that I've been loving recently and show you some ideas and inspiration for like outfit ideas based on YEEZY fashion. If you know my channel, you'll know that I love the monotones, the monochromes, the neutral colours, the all same colour outfit, that kind of thing. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So first of all, I'll show you what I'm wearing, and this hoodie is essentially like a cropped, distressed hoodie. It's like been cropped at the bottom here, which to be honest you can do with any like cheap hoodie from Primark, or Misguided do quite a few similar to this, so I'll link a few alternatives to this one below. I think this one was from Zaful if I remember rightly, but I will leave it linked below. And then I've also picked up these leggings recently from Misguided. They've got a gorgeous little ring detailing and zip here. They're high-waisted, they're faux suede, and then they've also got a zip detailing across the knee as well. So again, I'll leave these linked below. I think these were about £11, something like that, so really affordable. I'm definitely like shopping on a budget here in these videos. These are ideas that you can pick up and take inspiration from yourself to adapt into different fashion and outfit ideas, all whilst keeping on a budget. So next up is another item that I picked up from Misguided. They have quite a lot of nude ribbed items, which I love. So this being one of them. I got this a while ago now, and it's basically a, what do you call these, unitard? That kind of thing. Is that the right word? Well, anyway, I'll leave it linked below. But again, it's in this like ribbed nude material. It's got a really low plunging neckline, which I love. So I can wear this with like a corset style belt, or just on its own, like more casual comfy. It is cropped as well, so it like stops at the knee, and I just love it. I think it's so on trend right now. It's the sort of piece that can be dressed up, dressed down, just throw a big oversized hoodie over it and you've just got the like cropped legging kind of style underneath. So very versatile, one that you can definitely mix and match with other pieces, and I love this so much. In the exact same material, I have a set which is from the latest Carly Bible range that she's done with Misguided. So these are a pair of high-waisted leggings. As you can tell, there's the crotch and there's the waist, so it is very high-waisted, which I love. I love high-waisted things, and it just fits really, really nice. Again, in this ribbed material. These are full-length leggings, these ones. I picked them up in a size 8. They fit really well. I always size down in Misguided usually, because I just find their sizes come up quite big. Usually I'm a size 10 on the bottom, but I do go for 8s generally in Misguided. So with this, it comes with a gorgeous little matching bandeau crop top. So this is very small. This is in a UK 8 as well. I probably could have got away with a 10 in this one, just because it's quite like short. So if you've got big boobs, you'll probably struggle with this, but nonetheless, I like to wear this as a layering piece as well, just like under a top, like an oversized top. If you maybe are going to see your bra, you could wear this with it instead. And yeah, as a set, it works really well together. You can pair it with like a satin duster coat and get away with it in evening wear with some sock boots, or you can dress it down and wear it casually, which generally these leggings I wear on a casual basis with like a big oversized hoodie over the top. So love that. Speaking of satin duster coats, I have quite a few, and they're all from Misguided, apart from a couple from Primark I think, but in general I love satin duster coats from Misguided. Carly Bible did a few herself with her range with them. This one I don't think was from the Carly Bible range, but I do still love it nonetheless. It's in this gorgeous gold colour, and it's got cropped sleeves. Well, not cropped, but it ties up there, which I leave tied up. And then it's kind of bomber style, because this is like a cotton material and then into the satin. Full length, pocket detailing there, and on the back there's a split all the way up. I really like wearing this with like those leggings and crop top underneath, or even just like jeans and a nice top as well. So yeah, love throwing that on over like a pretty simple outfit for like a dinner out. It just dresses it up, makes it a bit more glam with that satin texture, and yeah, love it. So I also have a couple of corset belts that I wanted to show you. This first one in this like faux suede material, which does up like so, and I love the style of this with like open here, so you can tie it up a bit closer or a bit further apart depending on what waist size you are and what look you're after. This one was from Primark. It was in the sale. I remember getting it for like a couple of pounds, no more than that. And then this one is, I think, is this from Primark as well? I think it is. So it's essentially a nude and faux corset style, like faux leather, sorry, corset style waist belt. Love this. I absolutely love wearing waist belts with like an oversized jumper dress as well, just to cinch in your waist so it's not too oversized and you don't see your figure. If you want to go a bit more glam, pair that with it and it instantly changes the outfit, so love that. I literally have so many clothes within this kind of colour shade scheme, so if you want to see more of these kind of videos, do let me know down below, because there's plenty more I could do for you. But yeah, these are another pair of joggers which I absolutely love. I say another pair, I don't think I've shown you a pair yet. These are from Missguided. What I love about these is the lace-up corset style detailing here on the crotch area. Again, very high-waisted, love high-waisted, and they're like a washed kind of effect. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see that. But it's kind of like a little bit of tie-dye in there. Anyway, absolutely love these from Missguided, absolute bargain. I love their joggers, so I will leave these below along with alternatives. They're also bargain. I think my favourite pair of joggers you can get from Missguided are about £15, so when they have offers on as well, you can get it for even cheaper. If you're a student, even cheaper. So yeah, highly recommend Missguided joggers. This is another in the same material, again from Missguided, this ribbed nude material. I love this so much. It's basically just a simple crop top, like bralette style top, which I love pairing with like the high-waisted leggings. I just feel like this top over the bandeau has a bit more coverage, and then I also love pairing this with something like this, which again is from Missguided, and it's a high-waisted nude midi skirt. I say mid-axi, that's the word apparently. It's like halfway between midi, half maxi dress or skirt. So it's quite a long one, it's high-waisted, love the length of it, it's double-lined as well, so it's really, really thick and heavy, this one. I have this in another colour as well, and I think they do a couple of different colours, so if nude isn't your thing, then definitely recommend checking out the other colours available. If nude isn't your thing, you probably wouldn't be watching this video right now, but anyway, a lot of these items you can pick up in different colours, so again, we'll leave it listed below for you to check out yourself. Love that. I also have this one, which is from Rare London. I think I picked this up from Topshop like a while ago, and it's very similar. The only thing difference being is that it's a short version. So again, it's that bodycon style skirt which silhouettes your figure. It's also in more of a slinky kind of material. It's again double lined, so it's very thick, but it's more satiny sheen to it. So as opposed to just like a normal cotton, this one's got a bit more shine, so a bit more glitz and glam, and you can pair it with like a similar kind of coloured crop top or like bralette or something like that, and yeah, you're good to go. It's a nice outfit, which very Kim Kardashian. I just imagine her in these amazing like figure hugging skirts with like a little crop top from that YEEZY kind of collection. So yeah, absolutely love this, and great to mix and match with other items. Another thing I would recommend doing is checking out TK Maxx's men's wear, like sweaters and jumpers, because they have quite a few of the YEEZY style vibes with very affordable price tags attached. This being one of them. I love this colour. It's like a beige colour, more of a beige stone. So yeah, love the colour of this more than anything. And I got it in a size large. It's not quite dress length, but it's definitely one that I'm comfortable wearing with just leggings. Now, although this one is white, they also do like a nude colour, but I didn't find one last trip to Poundland. And I have mentioned them in my Poundland hauls before, but it is these little white ladies comfort bras. This one, like I said, is in white. I get a size small, which is an 8 to 10, and that's kind of what it looks like on the image. They also do these in black and nude, so these are a good piece to pick up for £1, obviously. If you like that crop top style bralette thing with like a high-waisted skirt in the same colour or high-waisted leggings in the same colour, then I would recommend picking these up. I get them pretty much every time I go to Primark. Poundland, sorry. I wear these on a day-to-day basis most days anyway, so yeah, I thought I would show that to you, and yeah, look out for the nude colour. Again, something that's white, so shouldn't really be in this video, but is this like figure body hugging style vest top from Primark. They do these, they are £4. I've just picked a new one up, and it's like a plain vest, but the body is fitted, so it's like a shape figure hugging top. They also have like figure shaping underwear as well, so definitely look for Primark if you're after any of them, because they are so affordable. And last but not least, again from Primark, is this, which I came across recently when I went to Primark. It was in the sale from £15 down to £7. It says light grey, it's definitely not grey, it's like a true nude, and it's I got it in a size 16, so it's very oversized, but that fit I kind of like in this style like jacket. So it's just a plain, like quite thin, lightweight jacket with drawstring waist, silver hardware and detailing. Okay, so I also just picked up this because I've just reminded myself that I picked this up recently, and it's from the latest Carly Bible collection. I got it in a size 8, and it's her, like, what should she call it? Satin field coat, I think she calls it, or field jacket. And it's again in that like silky satiny material from Misguided, silver hardware, tie around the waist, and again she wears this with like cycling shorts popping out underneath. I love that look, and it's definitely one that I want to try and recreate, and you can dress up, dress down, pair some sock boots with it to wear heels and, like I say, dress it up a bit, or something to wear on like a casual day-to-day basis with a nice like jeans and top on underneath. So that is everything that I picked up in this like nude beige edit. So hopefully you found some inspiration and some ideas and some clothes yourself that you want to shop. So again, I will leave all the links below for you to shop if you decide you want to. Don't forget to go and check out the khaki edit that I previously filmed as well. I will leave that below for you. And then stay tuned for the grey and navy, the black and the shoe edit. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll leave all my social media links down below for you to go and follow me over on there if you want to. And as for now, I will see you again next time. Bye guys. So as for today, I'm gonna jump straight. Essentially, if you know my channel, you know that I love the If you know my channel, you'll know in the same material I have, in the exact same material, I just hit myself in the face. Silhouette, kind of figure hugging, figure shaping underwear. In fact, I've got a hair jacket, I should show you that. Where is it? Or something that you can just wear on a casual day-to-day basis. Ugh. And until next time,